today's video we are going to make a jewelry organizer that I have made of glass plates that we already have at our home and plastic glasses, and usually we have these things at our home, and during Diwali we shuffle up the things, so I guess you will get the things from there. If you don't get, then you can get plates and glass at very lowest price. I think within 250 or 200 rupees you may get the plates and glasses. So using that, how I have made the jewelry organizer, let's see.
So firstly, let's take out the plates, and here are the plates. In total we will be needing 3 plates and only 2 glasses, because we'll be fixing them in between these 3 plates, and this glass, as you can see, is made of plastic. You will also need a glue gun to join the glass and plates together. So the first step will be, you just have to keep the plate and then you have to fix the glass in the center like this, and then you have to apply the glue at the bottom of the glass, and you have to be very quick in this because the glue dries very easily and very fast. While I'm applying glue, I've kept the fan off because glue easily dries up when it comes in contact with air. Then we have to apply glue onto the upper part of the glass, that is the mouth of the glass, and be very quick in applying. As soon as you apply the glue, take the another plate and fix it at the center. Then after that, I have kept the another glass and another plate onto it the same way as we did for the first ones. You do it the same way. So in the last plate, what I have done is I have kept all my nail paints over there, and now I'm keeping some of the earrings and stuff in the first plate, the upper plate. You can keep some of the stuffs that you require daily, and that's how it goes. I am keeping some rings, mid rings, and my bracelets, neck pieces over there. And I hope you guys like this DIY idea of mine. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I have kept the link in the description box. Do check it out and follow me on Instagram for further updates.
So like my video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the subscribe button because it's free of cost. And yeah, do share my channel with your friends, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.